welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, news, special events, and fun. There's so much happening in the world of cruising. It's the fastest growing segment in the travel industry, and boy, is it growing. 2018 has been an amazing year, and there's so many new ships debuting that it's hard to keep up. So here I am being very excited that Carnival Horizon is now on the seas. And Queen Latifah, one of my favorite acts in showbiz, is the godmother. On the heels of me getting excited, ready to share the new videos, ready to take your bookings, ready to do Carnival the only way the Horizon really can do it, a part of the Vista class ships. There are new ships breaking, and so we're gonna deal with each one in their own space, but today is dedicated to Carnival Horizon. Let us take you away. Carnival controls the largest segment of the cruising industry, and of course, I'm not even sure how many ships they have now, but my humble guesstimation is that there are at least 27 ships. I will check the stats and I will update you on it, but so much to show, so much to do. I already have my activities planned in my mind for my Carnival Horizon encounter. What would be your top picks? Take a look at this video and tell me. We will talk about it as we pull your Carnival Horizon trip together here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun.
Carnival Horizon is here in the Big Apple. To commemorate our partnership, we've decided to honor St. Jude by featuring 33 different artistic creations that were done by the patients of St. Jude.
I hereby name this ship Carnival Horizon. Welcome home, Carnival Horizon.